Hello. My name is Mark. To start today I am going to tell you who are the key players into shipping industry. So let's go and meet the key players. 1. Carriers. Freight doesn't move itself. Carriers are the companies that own the ships, like Maersk, CMA CGM, Hapag-Lloyd. In the US, some non-carriers also sell bookings, through a legal arrangement called NVOC, non-vessel operating common carrier. 2. Forwarders. Think of them as travel agents for freight, the experts who understand how the end-to-end shipment process works. Some forwarders do sometimes also act as carriers, most commonly by also operating a truck fleet. 3. Customs brokers. Customs brokers are the ones who specialize in customs filing and clearing. Freight forwarders either work with a customs broker as an agent or handle customs broking in-house. 4. Third-party logistics providers. Third-party logistics providers, 3PLs, take on some or all of a company's distribution and fulfillment services. Many larger forwarders also provide this service. 5. Shippers. He is the one who sells or exports the products. Whatever you call them, the freight industry calls them as a shipper. They are the persons wanting to ship the goods. 6. Consignee. He is the one who buys or imports the products. Whatever you call them, the freight industry calls them as a consignee. In addition, there are few other players also involved. We will be learning about them in the coming videos. So to watch and learn some more about shipping, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Link is available in the below description. So see you in the next video.